Alright guys, I'm back with another Earnhub video, just kind of doing a recap of their Earncast. So I ultimately was listening to Rover's basically Earncast. I think it was volume 12 if I'm not mistaken. But ultimately, yeah, it went there was some hiccups at first, but again, who doesn't have any who doesn't go through some tech issues? I think we all go through that. So definitely not holding it against a team or Rover or anybody, right? Like they got it together and they came back and really I think what they announced was really good. I know some people even on the chat were kind of asking about like the results and trying to have things resume, but again they put out some DAO votes or DAO, however you guys go about that, and it was overwhelming on the last video. We showed that was the results. Here they're kind of looking at the tax. It was a little bit neck and neck. It looks like it's kind of moved in the direction of the 35%. I think that's a good percentage, to be honest. I think 53 might have been a little bit too much, might have discouraged some, like a lot more people. And I know that is the purpose, to protect the new investors, the current investors, and just overall, I think the project. So I think it is a good idea that they're beginning at a higher tax. Ultimately, it's going to come down over 30 days, and then it'll end up at 17%. So I do like that idea. If you haven't voted, go out there and vote, and lay your decision on which one you think is best. Rover kind of went over that. I thought that was really cool. That was really interesting. I know they were talking about, hey, they might look at some team members. Hey, that team is a good team, so check it out if you got any thoughts. I'll definitely check that out too by sending some info their way, and anything I could do to help good projects. I'm all about that. I've always been about like the filmmaking stuff, and anybody that I can help. Overall, I will. Anyways, not that they need any help. I'm sure they got like a solid, much smarter team than someone like myself. But this was a quick recap. It looks like the admin team posted the recap of their Earncast, and their essentially what they announced. One of the big things was that they're gonna give that 5% upgrade. So if you staked your coins, you got your coins upgraded to the new Earnhub. All right, so if you had Safearn and then you staked them, they were going to give you a 5% bonus. This is pre-launch, so that's going to be coming. I don't believe he gave a specific date on that, but just stay tuned, right? They did have it looked like they had some sort of contest going on. At the I won't necessarily click on there because there's my wallet and a bunch of things are there, but ultimately they had a contest going on, and it looks like that contest, they've pretty much doubled it. They're now doing a 50,000 giveaway just for having using dApps. So definitely super cool. Again, the team is getting in front of it, I think, from everything that they're doing. They announced that you can claim your tokens on the 14th, and that the release date is on the 16th. They don't have a time, it looks like, just yet, but once we know, or once I know, I'll definitely be more than happy to post that up. If you guys have any questions about anything, feel free to comment down below. Again, appreciate all the people that have been supporting the channel. Definitely working through some things on putting some videos together for like mining and some tutorials on things. So if you have any questions in regards to some of those things, I'll be more than happy to answer them. But with that being said, yeah guys, Earnhub is one of my top 5 coins, as I put before on some of the videos I had done previously. The anyflect, and being able to select any coin you'd like to get reflections on. I mean, passive income, who doesn't want that, right? Like, I think we all hope to have that opportunity, and I think Earnhub provides that, kind of like what SafeMoon does with really giving you more reflections, yes, in the native SafeMoon coin, which I love, but I think Earnhub does that too for some of the people that maybe into other projects, right? So it gives you an opportunity to get coins in other coins that you may already have, may already hold, and may already like. So yeah, guys, that's my Earnhub update. The Earncast I thought it was great. I love that they did a little intro video and they kind of replayed it again at the end. Again, I'm a big supporter of this team and the project. I know they've been going through a lot because they halted trading. I know that once it resumes, the people that want to enter the project, great. The people that want to leave the project, listen, it's your investment, right? So no financial advice. Definitely do not take my advice at all. This is my personal opinion, my personal play. So I'm just giving you my thoughts on how I feel about certain projects, this being one of them. So, all right, guys, that's my Earncast update. Come back comment down below. Please subscribe. Follow me on Twitter. Whatever you guys have social media wise, I'm on them. Really working a little bit more on my Instagram, but everything else, I'm on there. Let me know. Feel free to comment. All right, guys. Catch you on the next one.